G'day, I'm Mighty, and welcome to the Mighty Outdoors. Boku wa Mighty desu. The Mighty Outdoors e yokoso. Now, I don't know if you can hear it, but that's the sound of the mountains calling. So this morning, I'm going to ride my way over to the Honzanji, a rarely visited and somewhat secluded temple in the hills north of Takatsuki, which is nearby to Kyoto. And I'm taking you there so we can find out for ourselves. Let's go. 今日の旅の距離は約 100km ぐらいと思います。I'm climbing up towards the Minnow waterfalls. I'm not going to stop at the waterfalls today, but if you'd like to see that video, click in the tab above and that'll take you to the Osaka to Minnow bicycle ride. So I've arrived at the Katsuoji, the Katsuo temple, in the mountains of Minnow, but I'm about an hour too early, so I can't get in today. I'll have to come back another time for that, but we can still have a bit of a look around, see what we can see. Still climbing. Almost there. So I'm here, the top of Myoken-san. It's a good ride. Hardly anyone else on the roads. 2 other cyclists. This tourist location opens up in about an hour's time, so as you can imagine, there's nobody here at the moment. It's probably time for a quick refreshing drink from a handily placed vending machine. So many different drinks to choose from. Put 1,000 yen in the slot. Eh, 開始やん。嘘。It took my 1,000 yen. That's like 15 bucks. It looks like I get nothing. Still climbing. So it says you can't proceed past here because of fallen trees. Fair enough if you're in a car, but the Mighty Outdoors. So you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's go. There you go, fallen tree. Don't muck about, get under it. There it is, Honzan Temple. Okay, we're almost there. すいません。本禅寺はあとどのぐらいですか？ああ。
わかんないけど、今、電線
はい。
が切れてて、
お
業者が入ってるって。だから、車両は入れないって聞いて、
はあ、
で、私は今から歩いていくけど、
はい。
通れるかどうかはわからない。
まあ
ただ、車両があるって言ってた。
了解。
うん。すごいペラペラ。
いや、そんなごませんでいい。まあ、ダメ元でもやってみようか。
うん、結構急ですよ。気をつけて。
急ですか？
急です。今までの日じゃない。
そうですか。よし。じゃあ、チャレンジを。よし。
頑張って。
ありがとう。
はい、
行ってきます。おはようございます。降りていって歩いてみるわ。あ、いいですよ。お疲れ様でした。すいませんでしたね。電源切れちゃったの？
電源切れてます。
いやー、大変ですね。
いえいえ。
毎週ですか？それ大変ですよね。はい、どうも。おおきに。I know this temple is going to be so beautiful. As this is hard going. あずきさん食べたいわ。千円札。ここか？まだか？本山寺ですか？本山寺左、ポンポン山右。I did it! I have arrived at the Honzanji. Let's check it out.お姉さん、やっぱり言った通りにきつかったでしょう。気使ったわ。私はずっと自転車で来ました。そうです。ありがとうございました。So we made it all the way to Honzanji, a beautiful temple set in the high mountains north of Takatsuki. It's been a wonderful trip getting here. The GPS was not kind to me. I've taken all sorts of routes to get here. But now it's time for me to turn around and head back to from where I came. I want to say thank you very much for joining me today in these mighty outdoors, and I hope to see you again soon. Hooroo!